Hey gang, I wanted to make you guys a little video and just kind of show you our setup now. I apologize, it's the end of the day and things are a little tore up after a full day of production, so really haven't had a chance to do much picking up or cleaning. So this is our main office when you first walk in. We have one girl that works up front here, handles all the calls and makes sure emails and pictures and sales orders are going out. This is my office back here. Again, I apologize, it is a mess. So go ahead and I'll take you out here into the production area. We have a little room off to the side here for our sandpaper, painting supplies, some of the different things that go on the boats. Kind of keep it up this way so it stays a little cleaner. Some different shelving and things, motors underneath there, stands we use, exhaust fans, things like that. This is a brand new boat in a mold here. It's pulled out of the production area waiting to cure. This is our fiberglass cutting area. The guys will bring patterns up here and pre-cut everything that goes into a boat, which makes assembly a lot easier. These are some of the patterns I was talking about there. Some of our different gel coat systems. One of the problems we have with this building is it's 16,000 square feet, but because of the spacing of all the poles, it makes it very difficult to move and maneuver boats and molds in here. For example, this is our 36-foot cat boat mold. We don't have enough room in here that we actually have to put the top and bottom together when not in use. Some of the other molds and patterns and different things we use. I'm going to walk you to the back here so you can see the layup area and different things like that. A lot of different tooling, storage areas, things like that. We actually have to use drum warmers up here to keep our resin warm enough it gets so cold. Now we keep our building, in the winter we keep it above 70, in the summer we keep it below 80. We're pretty particular about trying to control the climate that we manufacture in. This is where most of the layups take place for the boats. We have a little mixing center off to the side here where we actually scale and weigh everything. And that is a brand new 24-foot cat boat in the mold. That is a brand new 22-foot cat boat deck in the mold. We manufacture our own seats and all the essential pieces to put one of these boats together. For example, you can see the liners which go into the cockpit areas where the driver and passengers will sit. That's a mold for the 24. This is a mold for the 26. This is a brand new 24 that's been pulled out of the mold and is going through getting structural pieces added to it now. I apologize for the sun kind of coming in here and making it bright. Give you just another glance of some of the area and storage and different things we use. This boat up here is the new Talon 26 that we're building for Dean Anderson. So this is what's called a plug form. We will actually get this to the shape we want exactly, and then we will make a mold off of it. So that is the bottom of the boat, upside down. Here is the top of the boat that we're making the plug for, and we'll make a mold off of. Everything we build and manufacture now are cat and tunnel boats. We do occasionally get in V-bottom boats that we'll build for manufacturers, but This is more of our specialty, so we like to stick to it. We do a lot of our own steel and metal fabricating in-house. So we have a little welding area where we do different brackets and things like that. We have a little lathe, a mill. We do MIG and TIG welding in here. We do our own powder coating. And this area is very, very crammed. We run 2 air compressors in here. That way we have a backup if one would go down. There's the second one there. This is a little work area for the guys. Grinding presses, drill presses there, bolt bins. In one of the videos I sent you one of our outboard models. This is a one-off inboard model here. It just came back from the rigging shop. This is a Talon 23. And the customer provided a motor for us. And since it's a used motor and we only installed new OEM, we actually had another shop assemble and rig it for us. So now we'll go in and do all the rest of the fit and finish to it. This is our 32-foot cap molds here in the background. A lot of parts that we've built that part of the puzzle in putting the boats together here. Another little work area, an assembling area. This area is normally used for rigging, but with our lack of space we have right now, we're kind of using everything up. This is a lot of our different TIG welders, torches, plasma cutters, band saws. This area here we use for a lot of storage for material, the engines, some of the different molds, fuel tanks, things like that. We do mostly outboards. The inboard stuff has a huge liability, so we either sub that out or a lot of the customers will do it themselves. And this is over here back behind the fiberglass cutting area and our big molds. So hopefully that gives everybody an idea of what we're working out of now and kind of what we'll be looking for in Florida. Thank you.